Well, I'd say this is pretty crazy. Look at this. It's, holy crap, April 15th. Sunday fun day. About to snowblow the driveway. Oh. There we go. Holy crap. Try and get a view. Look at that. Neighbor's using the Bobcat excavator just so you can clear out driveways. But we don't need any of that crap here. Wow. That sucks. Well, got the snowblower ready. Give it a try. I'm gonna start this thing up too. Actually, because when you get snow, it means you have to drive a snowmobile, right? Actually, I just want to see if it starts. I put in a brand new coil pack on this bad boy. Haven't driven it since. Didn't think we were gonna get any more snow. Nice. Hell yeah. Turn off the choke. Damn. It's a 1995 700. I was gonna smoke this thing out. Look at that. I got snow back here. I'm gonna let that thing run a minute, clear out my driveway, and then hop on the sled. Man, that's so crazy. Yeah. Well, that's awesome. It just fired right up. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. That's awesome. I'm pumped. Ugh. Not pumped for this though. Alright, gotta find my gloves. Hold up a minute. Came over here. He's gonna help a little bit. Well, I'm gonna try out the electric start on this bad boy. It's new to me, but used. So let's see. I haven't used the electric start, only the pull start. I'm still gonna prime it because I think you still prime it. How the hell do I use the electric start? Good question, Steve. It's right here. Hold on. This fuse blows all the time. I bet it blew. Check all my circuits. Yeah, I can see it's pushed out right now. It's kind of annoying. It's all the way over here. Need to get my garage rewired. Alright, time to try the electric start on this. Hell yeah. Second thing to run good. Now, why didn't I just pull start it? Good question, not really. Maybe it is a good question. Less wear and tear on the pull cord, honestly. So electric start's preferred just to preserve the pull cord, honestly. God damn, look at this. Put my Red Bull on the ground. Look at this. Ugh. Well, I'm gonna give it a go, see how far it throws. This will be the first time using it. well you can see that, but this thing is a beast. Hell yeah. So I thought I was going to be done with the snowblower, but it's almost 8 o'clock at night, and look at that. Look at all that. Sorry, I got my face like scrunchy because of the wind. That's better. Man, so much snow. Tour around the yard. Actually, it's kind of crazy. You can't even tell where I was really riding the snowmobile. Like, you can kind of see the outlines of the tracks, but not really. Man, it's my driveway. It's starting to get dark out though, so I'm gonna have to wake up extra early and start snowblowing tomorrow, which is awesome. Probably one of the crazier winters that I can remember. Actually, I really don't remember one this bad. 2014 was pretty bad, but this one's dragging on pretty good too. Jesus. So I guess I'll put the snowblower away. Call it a night. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys later.